Welcome to the December 2022 issue of Pumper Magazine. On the cover, Charlie Christwin has been at it as long as Pumper Magazine itself, since 1979. Read about how he's kept it going all these years, why having only one truck is just fine with him, and how they were able to salvage an imploded tank. It's that time of year to look back at all the classy trucks. Read about the interesting trends in truck builds, and Minnesota pumper John Bulow weighs in on the great trouser debate. Without further ado, here are the 12 nominees for Classy Truck of the Year. Look them over, then head to pumper.com/classy before December 22nd to cast your vote. There's no easy way to address the problem of racism in the workplace. Read on to learn how to navigate this sensitive situation. Growing your business by acquiring another company can be a profitable venture. Our money manager points out some potential pitfalls and tips to make an informed decision. Our resident expert follows up on last issue's discussion about constructed wetlands, this time focusing on the ongoing service they require. We catch up with Clint Britt of Colorado Professionals in On-Site Wastewater. We ask the interesting questions, and his answers don't disappoint. In Rules and Regs, Cape Cod is expected to see new nitrogen restrictions in early 2023. Find out what it means, and check out what's coming in a few other states as well. The final Classy Truck of the Month for 2022 is from Chesapeake Septic Service in Stevensville, Maryland. Does it qualify as the Classy Truck of the Year? Head over to pumper.com/classy to cast your vote. The product focus this month is septic systems and maintenance, ATUs, aeration systems, alarm systems, excavating equipment, pumps, filters, hand and power tools, pump control panels, risers, lids, bacteria, septic tanks, vent pipe filters, and the good old crust buster. We shine the spotlight on a submersible pump that features air-filled pump motors and premium efficiency. The holiday season is a time for giving yourself something you found in our classifieds. Check them out on page 70. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in 2023.